This is the HDMI adapter for iPhone to TV. Inside the box are the following: HDMI adapter and user's manual. This is how to use this HDMI adapter. This HDMI to AV adapter does not need to install any driver, apps, personal hotspot, or Wi-Fi. Just plug each interface into the corresponding device and connect the charging cable that comes with the package. Then wait a few seconds to connect automatically, and the installation is easy and fast. This HDMI cable supports video calls and can play videos, photos, games, can view your Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc. on full screen with 1080p quality. And this adapter supports iOS 9.0 above system, and this is not compatible with iPad Pro 5th generation, iPad Air 4th generation, and iPad Mini 6th generation. This is the HDMI adapter for iPhone to TV. This is easy to use, just plug and play, and this HDMI cable supports 1080p quality. This is ideal solution for watching movies, TV shows, meetings, games, video calls, or expanding your workspace by connecting your devices to a big screen. This is the HDMI adapter for iPhone to TV.